Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook some lovely and delicious mushroom. I'll be adding some carrots and a bit of spring onion, bit of garlic, just to make it nice. Bit of butter, also salt and pepper, and some all-purpose season I'll be adding also. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these up, take the skin off. Adding the carrot to it is optional. You don't have to put it in there, but you'll notice the difference when you cook it like this. The different texture and taste when everything combined together. It's a big difference. So to this, I'll be adding some spring onion. So go ahead and cut your carrots, or you want to cut it. Me, I'm gonna sort of julienne them. This way they're easy to cook. So on the other side here, I have my pot on. So what I'm gonna do, because these take a little bit longer to cook, I'm just gonna go ahead and add them in. So I'm just putting the carrot in first, and all of that is personal preference. I have some season here which I grind out. It's a form of all-purpose, but bear in mind, just use whatever works for you. I'll be going in with some garlic cloves. I'm using here about 3 cloves of garlic. But as I said, just do what works for you. Now what I'm doing here now, I'm trying to catch my flavor from early. So I'm just gonna go ahead and season these carrots. Make sure you catch your flavor from early. So spring onion, I'm gonna add it in. You can put some later also. You don't have to put all of it at once. I'm going to add a bit of black pepper over this. Also a bit of Celtic salt. So the thing, if you notice what I do here, the fire is not too high. So now we're gonna slice our mushroom, and I will add it bits by bits. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in. You can slice them or you can dice it. Whatever you feel like doing, just go for it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna season these on top here. And as soon as it starts sweating, I will turn them. So what I'm doing now, I'm just giving them a turn. Just gently turn it because you're seeing it look full, but what's gonna happen is they're gonna shrink a bit. So I'm just gonna let that keep simmering, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish cut these up. And whatever herbs you wanna add to this after, you can add some herbs to this also. Just keep piling them on. The end result gonna be good. Okay, so we're gonna pack this in. Keep packing them. So I'm gonna season this again. You might think it's a lot of season I'm adding, but if you should cook this way, you'll know what time is it. But if you don't catch a flavor from early, you're gonna struggle with the taste. So the next thing I'm gonna add to that, I'm gonna add some butter just to enhance the flavor. So with butter, I'm just gonna put some butter down on the side. Once you cook it like this, trust me, you're gonna love it. This thing here is a real deal. You might think it's a lot of butter, but when you taste it, you'll be dancing. So what I do now, I increase the fire underneath this. And we're gonna give him another turn. You notice they're all shrinking now. That's what happened. Just like if you're cooking like spinach or callaloo. And this is good for vegetarian also for those who don't like meat. So to add some color to it, I'm just gonna pop a couple of these cherry tomato in it. These tomato, not all the time you find them that sweet, very sweet and lovely. So I'll find some coriander, which I have in the fridge. So I'm gonna utilize them. I'm gonna chop them lovely coriander over it. So remember to give him a try. It's a bit hot. Just need a little bit more season. And now our lovely sauteed mushroom with carrots and tomato is ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sprinkle some spring onion over this, just to finish him off. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment.